In this tutorial, we will learn that how to create a screen recorder using Python and OpenCv. So the first step is that we will import all the necessary libraries we need for this task. So I will import numpy as np. Secondly, I will import most important library cv2 that stands for OpenCv, and lastly I will import from pil I will import the image grab class. So the idea is that we will take screenshots of our screen every second and then store that into a numpy array. So I will create a while loop that will be an infinite while loop, and in this infinite while loop I will create a variable naming image, to which I will assign the screenshot that our program will take. So the function I will call for this is the grab function from the class image grab, and this will assign the screenshot to the variable image. Now comes the array part. So I will declare a variable img np is equal to np dot array, that is a numpy array, and I will pass my image variable as an argument. So now I have to display the array, the image is stored in it. So I will give cv2 dot imshow, and in this function the first argument will be the screen name. So I will give it as the name of screen, and the second will be the input that will surely be the uh, numpy array. So the important thing to discuss here is that there should be a button to stop the execution of program, otherwise the while loop will run towards infinity. So whenever we are recording the screen, there should be an option for user to stop the execution. So for this purpose I will use if cv2 dot wait key into 1 is equal to 27. This demonstrates the escape button. I will give it the break. So whenever the user will press the escape button, the program will stop executing. And in the last step, I will give cv2 dot uh, destroy all windows, and I will execute my program, and you will see that this window shows the exact output of the program. We can check by typing something here. We can say, for example, step 2 comma 3 comma 4, and by backspacing it you can see that the program execution is the exact replica of what I am doing is on the right side of screen. So the next step is that we have to save this recording, and we have to give it some character traits. And before that, with the one most important thing is the difference between the both of these original and the recording is that there is a some error in color. So first I will correct the color, and then I will save this recording with some character traits. So first of all I will close this. In order to correct the color, I will use frame. I will use a frame variable and cv2 dot convert color function. In this function I will pass the source, that is surely the numpy array. Okay, image score and p, and the second thing is code, that is the color code. So I will use cv2 dot color, okay, underscore rgb to brg, and I will change the output here in the CV to output as well. I'll give the frame, and now I will output, check the output, and now you can see that it is exactly the same replica of what I want to do and same color, so the color is fine. In the next step, I have to give some character traits, that is what should be the size of screen, what should be the name of my file, what should be the frame rate, what should be the size of the window. So for this purpose I will create a variable 4cc 4 character code is equal to cv2 dot video writer dot 4cc, and in this function I will pass my 4 character, and that will be x vid, and in the next line I will be making a declaring a output variable. Output is equal to cv2 dot video writer function, and in this function I will pass 4 arguments. The first argument will be the name of file, that I will keep it as first recording dot avi as the file extension. In the next line will be the 4cc variable. Next argument will be the frame rate. I will keep it to 5.0, and in the next line will be the size of screen, that will be 1366 comma 768 in my case. So I will use this output variable to display and function well as well for every screenshot. So I will write out dot write, and in this I will pass frame as it contains our every input, and in the last line I will use out dot I will release it, and now I can run it and execute. Now when I will execute it, you can see that it is the exact replica of what I am doing on the right side of the screen. We can even test it on the other windows like this. So I will choose this one, and now you can see that it is the exact same. I will open some files. I will perform a task here as well. I will open my website. You can see that it is the exact replica of what I am doing on the left side of screen. So it is being recorded and it will be saved with the name you have saved. So this is the screen recorder using OpenCv and Python. So thanks for watching.